How to fix sound recording problem in Windows 11. First, you want to check your microphone permissions. So we're going to go to search and type in settings, click on it. Once you're on this, on the left hand side, click on privacy and security. Now you want to scroll down until you find microphone. Make sure you have microphone access turned on. Let apps access your microphone also turned on. And you want to turn on the microphone for the app that you want to use it for. And you can also turn on let desktop apps access your microphone. Another thing you could try is you can unplug your microphone and then plug it back in again. You also want to make sure you have the correct recording device selected. So go to search and type in sound settings. Click on it. Once you're on this, scroll down and then click on more sound settings. And then this will come up. You want to go to the recording tab. Make sure that your microphone that you want to use has not been disabled. So right click on it. Make sure that it's not been disabled, and you want to make sure that it's set as a default device. So you can right click on your microphone, it will be saying set default for you. Make sure it's a default device, which will then make the green tick appear right here. Now you want to double click on your microphone, and then you want to go to levels. Make sure that your microphone is not muted and that you have your microphone sound volume turned up, and then click on OK. Next method, go to search and type in device manager. Click on it. Once we're here, you want to expand sound, video and game controllers. You want to find your audio device, right click on it, and then click on update driver. And then click on search automatically for drivers. Make sure that you have the best drivers for your device installed. You can also do this for audio inputs and outputs. You can find your microphone, right click on it, update driver, and you want to update it. Make sure you have the latest drivers installed. For the last method, restart your computer, come back into Windows and then see if that works.